All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing, and guess what? Dun, dun, dun! Got this month's box. So let's get the show started and see what's in it. Okay, Dark Horse Tackle, February box. It's here in the house right now. How cool is that? Now, I'd show you the box, but guess what? It's green. So, there you go. Let's see what's in it. So we get this nice little Valentine's card. Be my Valentine. They're so sweet. The guys. All right. We're super excited to announce we have started our own podcast called DHT Live. We plan to have it on all podcast platforms, say that real fast, by mid-February. Right now we're on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Scan the QR code. Booyah! With your smartphone camera to watch or listen. All right. So, we've got a great Fisherman's Box. So let's look at the first thing. We have what's called a jack slap blade. Now, I do make a Catch Outdoors jack slap. So I do make one of these, but it's bigger. It's not a blade, so, but it's similar. It's similar. So this one's a rainbow trout paint. It's rainbow trout, and basically what this is a blade with a spinner on it. So cool. I love, this right here, this will catch my trout, this will catch my bass, this will catch anything. Putting a spinner on the end of a lipless crank or a blade is genius. It's got a nice, oh, you can't tell. It's bright green up on top because, green screen. It's got a false eye on it, which is kind of strange on a rainbow trout, but hey, yeah, little extra something. So that, and it's made of tungsten. Tungsten. So it's a 1/4 ounce. This is a 1/4 ounce. So let's put it back in the package. Jack slap I catch. All right, so retail price on that is $7 or $8. Next, Deeks Jigs. You just got like a name like Deeks. Deeks Jigs. You can never have too many jigs. It's a weedless jig. And it is it's a brown with purple. So actually really cool. This would be great for stained waters. Huge head. How heavy is this thing? It don't say. Let's weigh it. Dun, dun, dun. I have a scale. Deeks Jig. Say that real fast. Deeks Jig. It's $5. It is, let's say 0.59 ounces. So it's just over a 1/2 ounce. Really nice. I mean, that thing, that'll sit on the bottom like that, just shaking its little tail. Look at that head. This big old head. Real good weed guard. You can trim that a little bit because it's a little long. You always trim your weed guards. So that's cool. So 0.6 ounce. All right. So that's $5. So, gotta love a hard bait that's hand painted. This one's really cool. This is by Dark Corner Custom Crankbaits. Booyah. Right there. It is a square bill yellow perch, which is perfect for my area. Really nice. I actually have this blank. Really nice. He put some glitter in the clear coat, which is always interesting. So that, well, hey. Anyway, it's green. Here, let's do something. Let's do something. So you guys can see what this thing really looks like. I'm going to turn off my green screen. You're going to see my green screen. Boop, boop. All right. Let's put that over there. Take the color correction off. Bam. All right. Now, there we go. So that, really nice. You can see he put flakes in the clear coat. Really, really nice. It's a nice looking bait. There's scales underneath the stripes. It's really nice. I like it. From one custom painter to another. Good job. So that was $12. Well, he charges less than I do. All right, so next is a 3/8 ounce Martin's. Really cool. Spinner. Boom, boom, boom. 3/8 ounce. We got to open it because, you know, it's just what I got to do. I got to open it. So, now the neat thing is it's got two different blades on it. What do they do? Oh, they attached it to the top of the package. Huh. Go figure. All right, so we're going to keep the green screen going because I want you guys to see this. So, really nice. It's got a brass. Look at this, man. He puts his name on the spinners. I mean, how cool is that? Martin's Custom Baits. Very nice. It's white with red. He did paint the gills on this red. Not too shabby right there. Nice spacer. They put a spacer right here, which is really nice. Keeps the two apart. Very cool. And, you know, that's cool. It's cool. 3/8 ounce. So, toss the package. That is $9.29. So, your total, let's say $7 on this one. So, 21, 28, $33 is what you would pay for this, not counting shipping. So, shipping would always be more money. So, a very good deal. But the nice thing is about this, I mean, this baby is, that's killer. I mean, come on. That's a killer one. And sharp hooks. Sharp hooks. And then this, that thing's, it's a beast. That's a beast. And I know there was something else. So we got that. Oh. Where's that little guy? Let me show you that. Let me show you. Rainbow trout blade with the spinner. Jack slap tungsten. It's a tungsten jack slap blade. So very cool. So catchoutdoors.com for the jack slap. All right, so that is this month's box. I hope you guys are impressed with it because I love it. Whoo, there we go. There, green screen again. Da, da, da. All right. I am happy with this month's box because, you know what? I will catch something on each and every one of these. And so would you if you did that. So please, right here, bam, right there. Receive 10% off your first month of a Weekend Warrior box, okay, with Rafino Pro 10. Do it. Do it now. Because life is good. And fishing makes it better. So I will be doing another video pretty soon comparing the durability of two clear coats, and epoxy and KBS. Look forward to that. And check out below my new online retail store, terribleatfishing.com. Bum, bum, bum. terriblefishing.com. All right. Check it out. terribleatfishing.com. Did I say that already? I think I did. Check it out. I have a great special of a mystery box on there right now to launch the website. So thank you very much, everybody. We'll see you guys out on the water. Take care, everybody.